are starting now, and this is the material. We divide it into two equal parts, that is 50-50. After dividing it into two equal parts, the next thing we're going to do is, you see, it is being divided. You just add it here straight, and you start like you are pleating it down. You just do this ruffle pleats, just pleat it down like this. Then the next thing we'll be doing is just to arrange those pleats we've made. Okay, so just arrange it. Let's arrange it. Okay, I think I have something like this. So just take your time. Take your time to, you know, arrange it well. Take your time. Let it get well aligned. Let it get well aligned. See. So after that, I want to make it align to this part as well. Okay. So guys, you just place from the back of your head. Okay, just place it like this. I don't have my hair, I don't have hair, so if you have hair, it's gonna look, I don't want to put on my wig, so this is what we have here like this. Okay, so what you're going to do is just cross it, and pick one of it, pick the pleats, pick the pleat, pick the pleat, pick the pleat, and we're gonna roll it again. You know, this is now shorter, make it tight. So then you pleat down again, and you lay it on this, and you put it here, hope you can see. Put it at the back, secure it at the back. Yes, after we have secured it at the back, okay, then we'll just come here and, you know, like this. Okay, this is fast, super fast, very fast. So you just arrange it, and here we're gonna tack, pin down this place. Just pin it down. Let's pin it down. So my people, we are pinning down the both side, the first side and the other side. So all you need now is focus your eyes. Don't be in a rush. Just take your time and watch. You're gonna love the final outcome. So keep calm. Guys, don't mind my manners. I didn't greet you guys when I started. How are we all doing? Hope you are fine. You are welcome back again to today's tutorial. And this is aso-oke. For those that have been asking for aso-oke, you know aso-oke material is somehow hard, it's not easy to tie. So this is or another one that I brought for you, another style you can use your aso-oke to tie by yourself. So get your aso-oke that you've abandoned and try this, guys, and I'll be dropping more of it. So stick around, subscribe to this channel, follow this page for more drop tutorials, and don't forget, I'll see you in my next video. Like, share, and follow. Okay, so guys, I'm done. Look at it. This is the final look, so you can do this yourself. I'll see you in my next video.